how to slow down a video on your Samsung phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down or put any video in slow motion on your Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we simply need to open up the gallery on our phone, and you can do that by swiping up and then finding gallery. It should look like this. Once you get it opened up, find the video that you want to slow down. I'm just going to do this one right here. Once it loads the video, at the bottom above this little timeline here, you're going to see slow and fast. So if I select one half right there, it's going to bring up this little thing where then I can move the bar over, and that will show me which part of the video is going to be slowed down. So as I move that over, that's the portion of the video that will be in slow motion. So you can have just like the middle of the video if you just move the coverage like that, but I'm going to do the whole video. And as you can see, if I play it, I'm moving my hands much slower. Whenever you're done, go up on the top right and you have two options. You can either save, which will copy over the current video with this version of it, or you can save a copy by selecting the three dots and then select save copy. And that's what I'm going to do. So then it's going to process the video and just give it some time. Once it's done, it's going to open that video. But if I go back, you can now see that I have the original, which is 42 seconds, and then the slowed down, which is 1 minute and 24 seconds. So that's how you slow down videos on a Samsung phone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.